Hey guys! In today's video, I'll show you how to get free stars on Telegram quickly and easily. If you're looking to earn stars without spending money, stay tuned because I'll walk you through the exact steps. Step 1. The first step is to open your Telegram app on your Android device. Now, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner to open the menu. From here, select Settings to access your account options. Step 2. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find an option called My Stars. Tap on it, and here you'll see your current star balance. If you have any stars, they'll be displayed right here. Step 3. To start earning free stars, tap on Instant Stars below your balance. This section will show you different tasks you can complete to get free stars. These tasks may include referring friends, share your referral link, and when someone spends stars using your link, you earn a commission. Using mini apps, some Telegram mini apps offer stars as a reward for engagement. Completing challenges, Telegram may provide in-app challenges that reward stars once completed. The more tasks you complete, the more stars you can earn. Step 4. Track your earnings after completing tasks. Return to the My Stars section to check your updated balance. If you're actively referring friends or using mini apps, your stars will increase over time. Step 5. Enjoy your free stars. That's it. You've successfully learned how to earn free stars on Telegram without spending money. If this video helped you, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful Telegram tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.